What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cold Beer Ranch. This is the working weekend. It's Labor Day weekend, so you got to do some labor, right? And we've got a lot of work to do here. I mowed yesterday, as you saw. Natasha picked up a bunch of fallen limbs and sticks from the property, so we'll have to burn that at some point. But we've got some weed eating we got to do around here, along the fence line. And I'm gonna do a little project on the entryway to kind of make it look a little bit better. We've got some old fence pickets that are kind of rustic looking. In the tiny house, there's a wood room. You guys will have to check that out. I'll show you here in just a second. I think I'm gonna put some fence pickets up and do a little fancify the entryway. So y'all stand by and enjoy the show. My God, it's cold in here. So we're inside the house. I know I gave you guys a tour not too long ago, but what I didn't do is take you into this room here. So this is the room, we call it the wood room. I haven't done anything with it since we purchased the place. And when we purchased the place, there's just a bunch of wood in there. So let me take you inside and let you see what's up. I want to try to start getting wood out of there. Some of it's pretty good wood. But there's a bunch of fence pickets in there, so it is not a part of the house. It's kind of sealed off very well. The ceiling's not done, so ta-da. Let you guys see. So gotta watch out for spider webs and critters. But as you can see, lots of wood in here, fence pickets, live edge wood, stuff like that. So this was like an add-on to the house, and I guess they just didn't finish it. So there's a bunch of doors in here and all these fence pickets. I don't know where they came from, but they look all cool and rustic. So I thought it'd be cool to kind of put on the entryway. Some of it's been sheetrocked, some of it hasn't over there. So it's just an unfinished room that we call the wood room. So we usually hardly ever come in here. You can see up here into the kind of the attic. That's the roof, the old roof. I don't know if you can see the chimney that goes up through there for the wood stove, but what I'm gonna be doing is getting these pickets out of here and putting them on the front fence for kind of different effect. So there they are. Let's get to work. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. As you can see, the fence is right here and it's just getting all overgrown over in this area. So we're gonna try to trim some of this back. Yesterday, I got the tractor and got the bucket and pushed all this back and opened it up so the branches don't get you when you come in. This is the part that I was thinking about putting these pickets on. So I may just do this side over here to kind of see what it looks like. But I'm gonna stand those pickets up here and I think it just kind of be a cool little accent. So, and if I got enough, maybe I can do this side. I don't know. This fence looks pretty good. So we're just trying to clean it up a little bit. So catch y'all back here in a minute. you doing? This is one of those hold my beer, watch this moments. She's gonna fall out of there. I got him, come on. You're nuts. Oh, what's up, guys? It's freaking hot. A little bit of cloud cover just came overhead. But man, we cleared this out. I don't know if I got a before picture. I'll try to put a before and after. But man, we cleared this out really nice and put up this little fence right there. A little privacy, a little rustic look. But we got all of this cleared out over here. Because when we pulled in with the RV, it was kind of scraping the side of the RV. I don't know, there's a big part of me that feels like it should say Cold Beer Ranch right across there. Y'all let me know in the comments, what do you think? Should we put Cold Beer Ranch on there? I don't know, y'all let us know. Man, it's hot. I think we're gonna wrap it up. I'm soaking wet, I don't know if you can see. Go and take a shower, get some lunch. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of stuff. Just kind of working around the ranch today. It is Labor Day weekend, so why not do some labor? Appreciate you guys. Take care. Peace.